BOI report for LLC. A BOI report for an LLC is a document that must be filed with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, which is commonly known as FinCEN. Each report must be filed by limited liability companies that are created or registered to do business in the United States. The report must include information about the LLC's beneficial owners, which are the individuals who ultimately own or control the company. Before we dive into the details about a BOI report, please give this video a like. Press the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Now, a BOI report for an LLC must include the following information for each beneficial owner: name, date of birth, residential address, and a unique identifying number from an acceptable ID, such as a driver's license or passport. LLCs must file their BOI reports electronically with FinCEN. Keep in mind that new BOI reporting requirements for LLCs went into effect on January 1st, 2024. However, LLCs that were created or registered before January 1st, 2024 have until January 1st, 2025 to file their initial BOI report. As a small business owner, you should start planning now to comply with the BOI reporting requirements for LLCs so that you can avoid fines and penalties. Here is some more information to keep in mind about the BOI reporting requirements for LLCs. A BOI report for an LLC must be filed within 15 days of the creation or registration of each LLC. The BOI report for an LLC must be updated within 30 days of any changes to the beneficial ownership information of the LLC. Failing to adhere with the BOI reporting requirements for LLCs can result in big-time civil penalties totaling up to $500,000. To prevent having to pay these civil penalties and take care of all your BOI report fling needs in one place, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our third-party LLC compliance team for help right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about LLCs having to file BOI reports? Does the process seem simple or complicated? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business compliance information.